Do you want to get insanely strong? I mean crazy strong? Well, guess what? These 12 exercises I'm about to show you are all you need. Whether you're looking to build muscle, boost your strength, or just want to feel like a total powerhouse, this video is your go-to guide. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The deadlift. This is the king of strength-building exercises. The deadlift engages your entire body, especially your back, glutes, hamstrings, and core. It's not just about picking up a barbell, it's about unlocking your real strength potential. Start light and work on form before going heavy. Number 2. The squat. If you want strong legs and a rock-solid core, squats are non-negotiable. They target your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and in your lower back. The heavier you go, the more your body will adapt to the challenge. And remember, proper form is key, no half reps. It's time to move on to a full body crusher that most people skip. Number 3. Pull-ups. They might seem intimidating, but pull-ups are one of the best exercises for upper body strength. Lats, biceps, shoulders, they hit it all. If you're just starting, use a resistance band or an assisted pull-up machine. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be cranking out reps like a beast. Number 4. Overhead press. This is the ultimate shoulder and upper body strength builder. Pushing weight above your head not only strengthens your shoulders, but also works your triceps, upper chest, and core for stability. Bonus, it's a killer for improving posture. Number 5. Bench press. When we're talking strength, you can't forget about the chest. The bench press is a classic, and for good reason. It works your chest, shoulders, and triceps in one powerful movement. Plus, nothing beats the satisfaction of pressing some serious weight off your chest. Alright, time to hit the lower body again with another powerhouse move. Number 6. Lunges. Don't underestimate the power of lunges. They may seem simple, but they'll light up your legs and glutes like nothing else. The key here is balance, control, and making sure each rep is strong and stable. Your quads and hamstrings will thank you. Number 7. Bent over rows. Let's show your back some love. The bent over row targets your lats, traps, rhomboids, and even your biceps. It's essential for building a strong, thick back and helping with posture. If you want a V-shaped physique, this is where it starts. Number 8. The plank. Simple, but highly effective. The plank is one of the best exercises for core strength, but don't let the simplicity fool you. Hold it for 30 seconds, then a minute, and you'll feel the burn across your abs, shoulders, and lower back. It's all about endurance and mental toughness. Ready to take your strength to the next level? These next moves are going to push your limits. Number 9. Farmer's carry. Grab some heavy dumbbells or kettlebells and walk. Sounds easy? Think again. Farmer's carries build insane grip strength, upper body stability, and core endurance. Plus, they're fantastic for improving posture and balance. Challenge yourself with heavier weights over time. Number 10. Dips. Dips are a bodyweight powerhouse for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. You can do them on parallel bars or between two benches. Want more of a challenge? Add some weight with a belt or hold a dumbbell between your legs. Number 11. Romanian deadlift, also known as the RDL. This is an absolute must for building hamstring and glute strength while also engaging your lower back. Unlike traditional deadlifts, RDLs emphasize the stretch and contraction of your posterior chain. You'll feel this one the next day, trust me. Number 12. Push-ups. You can't go wrong with the basics. Push-ups are versatile, scalable, and hit your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, you can always make them harder with different variations. Try clapping push-ups or incline push-ups to keep challenging yourself. And there you have it. 12 exercises to get you crazy strong. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, these moves are perfect to build that serious strength you're looking for. Now here's the challenge. Incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week, and I guarantee you'll see some major gains in no time. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to start with. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video with your workout buddy, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome strength tips. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.